where we're off to today is we're going up the A59 Clitheroe bypass, and we're going over the blubber houses, and we're going to drop down in towards Ilkley over some reservoirs that I've never been to. Look, nice places with little beaches. So that's the plan. Let's jump into it. I wasn't sure of what I saw then. An eagle nearly hit me. No folks, A59. So this is the gateway to the Yorkshire Dales to the left. Gargrave and Broughton, and you can, you know, get over to Settle, get into the bottom of the lakes, or you can go up through the Yorkshire Dale, Grassington, and it's a beautiful place. But today we're not doing that. We're going up to a reservoir towards Harrogate. So this is Skipton area, so you turn right to go to Skipton, local traffic, Skipton Castle, and you know, it's alright. It's not a bad place. Probably the best pork pie shop in the world there. It really is a beautiful part of the world here. Well, there's nobody out. This is a Tuesday. There is so much to like about the Yorkshire Dales. It's like the Peak District really, but I think prettier. Just so everyone knows, I'm doing a 45 mile an hour, no more. Police car up here. So it's on the A59 down towards Harrogate, and then this side road for 1 mile. We'll see where this takes us. And I'm seeking out more roads that I've never been on before, because as I'm getting older the choice is less. So sat nav seems to be good. In a quarter of a mile turn left. Wow, what a cracking valley. Oh, the smell of that pine forest. Wow, that's wonderful. You don't realise till you come back out into these places what you've been missing. You know, it seriously is a marvellous place. Oh, right over here. So I'll be able to tell you where we are when I look at the map, and I'll give you an indication up on the right hand side of the screen up here. So, looking exciting place, reservoir, somewhere to sit, picnic, have a brew. So we're just about 1 hour away from this place. Obviously a reservoir here, and that there's a walk all the way around the res. So I'll put a link up where this is. So just look at these fantastic pines here. That's what I could smell earlier on. Look at them. That's really well, cool. And then we've got the whole of the res over there to walk round, which is looking really good. So I'm going to start off back now and get back on the A59 and go home. What a nice little run out this is. So this is our blubber houses. Quarter of a mile and turn left. So we haven't got loads of video footage there, we just thought we'd come out and just have a bit of a ride over to Blubber Houses and Swinston Res. I'm quite happy with the bike and the new motor oil that we've put in it. But it's just been a nice little break. It's not hot, it's 12 degrees and not cold, and I'm not wet. We're just getting out and getting rid of the cobwebs on the bike, just seeing how well this CBF does. Look at that beautiful view down that valley. How nice is that? An eagle nearly hit me. Oh my god, I hope I got that on camera. An eagle nearly hit me. Oh my. I wasn't sure of what I saw then, but there were some birds over the road and an eagle, a big eagle, like the size of a biggest eagle you've ever seen, eagle. I'm looking at the view and there's a fucking eagle in front of me head. Dear me, I hope my GoPro's got that.